Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shoe Collection. Welcome back once again in a new video about new and latest fashion trend. Friends, I hope you are all fine, fit, happy, doing well, and enjoying good condition of health. First of all, please must subscribe my YouTube channel, and please must watch this video till the end. So today I gonna share with you some new designs of wedge heel sandals. These kind of wedge heel sandals are in different designs and different colors. I hope you like the whole collection of wedge heel sandals that I show you in this video. Friends, you can easily wear this kind of wedge heel sandals, and these kind of wedge heel sandals are very comfortable. You can easily wear your party function, wedding function, and office work. So these kind of wedge heel sandals are for those ladies who wants to look pretty, charming, attractive, stunning, stylish, wonderful, beautiful, and amazing. Friends, for watching my YouTube channel videos regularly, you get more informative ideas about new and latest fashion trend. I again request to you, please must subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video's link to your friends and group fellows. Please like and press the bell icon button for the notification of my new and latest fashion trend video. So I am very thankful to you for this kindness. These kind of wedge heel sandals are very beautiful, stylish, amazing, and wonderful. And if you can wear these kind of wedge heel sandals, you look so pretty. And these kind of wedge heel sandals enhance your beauty and you look so stunning. Friends, I collect a very wonderful and stylish wedge heel sandal designs for you. So kindly like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and appreciate my effort. Friends, I hope you like the color and designs of wedge heel sandals that I show you in this video. I hope you can subscribe my YouTube channel. So I am very thankful to you for the act of kindness. So I am very thankful to you for watching this video till the end. Stay tuned and keep watching my YouTube channel videos regularly.